Yeah, I'm doing one. What you guys doing?
I'm going to town in a choo-choo train.
What did you make, Jonathan?
A choo-choo train. Hey, Johnny, this is my steering.
How'd you hook it together?
This is my key. This is my key.
Ooh.
This little nail, and then I put it in. And use tape, ribbon, and plates. This is my key.
Ooh,
And
cool. Where does it go, Johnny?
It's the right here.
Right
My
there.
key.
Let's see you drive your steering wheel, Johnny.
And then we have this, but this used to be Johnny's steering wheel, but it doesn't turn very well.
So
And
he got
then
a different
this is
one.
The back.
What's the back one called? The caboose.
Yeah.
You got a seatbelt, Ruby, and a steering wheel?
Yeah.
This
And a
is pretty
brake.
fun, huh?
Oh,
Oh.
the tape's coming off.
Yeah, you gotta be a little careful, huh?
Mom,
Yeah?
I'm not have a seatbelt.
Oh, you need a seatbelt? Should we go find a ribbon for you? How old are you, Ruby?
6 3/4.
Yeah, today's June 24th, 2019, huh? Johnny, you stomping because you're frustrated? Should we go find a ribbon for you to have a seatbelt, Johnny? Okay.
Ribbon are you up here?
You want to cut one that we decorated your box with?
And we hooked it together with this ribbon, and I did it all by myself.
You did that on both sides, huh? Was it hard to make a hole in that box behind you?
Yes, yeah, but Mom couldn't. You couldn't help me because you were in the bathroom.
That's right, and you figured it out all on your own. Good job.
And this blue ribbon is my seatbelt, and this one is my brake. And then this is the hooking, and this is the hooking, and then this is a decoration. And then we still need tape it a little.
A little more tape. It's pretty awesome. Good job. Johnny, is it fun to make that? Oh, you got some ribbon, huh?